Welcome back to our YouTube channel AIGeniusX. In today's video, we will guide you how to make short viral videos on YouTube Short. And today's topic we choose is the animal transformation trend. What's special here is that we'll be using a new AI-based method that's much more effective. Here is an example YouTube channel on this topic. As you can see, it has a lot of views. In this article, I will guide you in detail how to apply Flux AI to do that. Flux AI is a model that is trusted by many people today because of its high accuracy generation efficiency. Here is an example YouTube channel on this topic. As you can see, it has a lot of views. I will leave this website link under the description of the YouTube video. In addition, I provide Flux AI account of this website with discount from 30 to 50%. If you need to use a private account with a discount of 30% to 40%, please contact me or join the community group. Now, without keeping you waiting any longer, let's go into the detailed practice. First step, we need to have idea about animal couples and create images for the segments. A video will have the first and transformed frame, and the next transformed frame of the animal pair. I will ask Chat GPT to execute some commands below. So here I have a basic prompt, and I want GPT Chat to build on it to generate new ideas. So here are some results we got from Chat GPT. Lots of ideas about animal pairs here. Next step, I will ask Chat GPT to give me specific prompts to create images for the first scene. Next step, I will use these prompts to create images with Flux AI. Creating images with prompts is also very simple. Please practice with me. This is the Flux AI working interface for the image generation function. Let's wait and see the results.
या आठवड्याला ड्रीम 11 लखपती फेस्टिवलचे विनर्स आहेत.